In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Benemerciful. As a bona fide indigen of Zamfara State and patriotic, I want to commend a little point that I have seen at this busy time of infrastructural development in Zamfara State that I have never imagined in my life. For an instance, Gusau Road Network and Street Light, Al-Majri School Project, rehabilitation of hospital, and rehabilitation of hospitals and facilities, equipment, ongoing 4 months salaries, liquidation of both political office holders and state civil servants, ongoing payment of pensional gratuities, liquidations WAEC and NECO, accrued debt, Zamfara State Security Trust Fund, and the constructions of modern international airport estimate to consume over 60 billion, and a lot of achievement in 14 local government of Zamfara State. Thank you, Dr. Dauda Lawal. I personally observed that the state government is spending more than what it is receiving from the federal monthly allocation without receiving any loan negotiation with any bank or private financial institution, despite the continuous naira depreciation in value and the marginal inflation of building and construction materials that are increasing daily in an increasing order. Please, Zamfara people, if we concentrate on the sum totals federation resources allocation we receive in 1 year, and to consider the allocation or to compare with the state expenditure right from the executed capital project. Thank you, Dr. Dauda. This will show you that His Excellency's effort of struggling for external international donors or organizations all over the world. I want to advise my people to Zamfara State. Respected people, His Excellency Dr. Dauda Lawal Gamjan Gusau is truly worthy commendation and deserve consistent prayer. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ala Ramma Rabi'u Sa'idu Gusau. Wassalamu alaikum.